Hey superstars, happy July, it's Magi Helena. Here's the astrological forecast for July 2019, including Independence Day in all 6 astrology dimensions. I'm the only woman and one of only 2 certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries worldwide to understand how to use star timing to help them achieve love and success. Please subscribe right here on YouTube and click the bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos are released. July 2019 is another pretty good month. What's your goal for July in 3 words? Tell us in the comments below. July's best and worst days are mostly scattered throughout the month. This is great because it means we don't have to wait too long for a best day to do something important or have to wait out too many worst days either. Independence Day, the 4th of July, falls on a Thursday in 2019, and it's a Magi best day. On July 4th, Sun is in powerful geometry in the geocentric declinations, parallel Venus and contraparallel Jupiter and Pluto. In Geozodiac 7, Sun is in a symmetrical triangle with Odin and the Jupiter-Chiron Cinderella midpoint, and is also in a fortress geometry with Jupiter, Odin, and the Venus-Chiron Cinderella midpoint. In Helios 7, Earth is in a yod with Venus and Odin. In the first pair of best days mid-July, in Helio 12, Earth is in an iron butterfly with Pluto, Odin, Juno, and Vesta, and in a synced yod with Midas and Odin. In Helio 7, Earth is in geometry with Pluto, Uranus, Mars, Juno, and Midas. In the second pair of best days in July, Sun is in a fortress with Mercury, Odin, Ixion, Sedna, and the Venus-Chiron midpoint in Geo 12. In Helio, Earth is in a somewhat similar fortress with Mercury, Sedna, Midas, and Odin, and there's all kinds of additional geometry, a grand trine with Jupiter, Mars, Juno, and Vesta, and an iron butterfly with Pluto, Vesta, Mars, Juno, and Odin. In the one run of 3 worst days in July, Sun is in a heartbreak clash with the Saturn-Chiron midpoint in Geo 12. In Geo 7, Sun is in turbulent geometry with the Saturn-Jupiter nuclear midpoint and the Saturn-Venus midpoint. In Helio 12, Earth is also in a clash with the Saturn-Chiron heartbreak midpoint. Coupled with these heartbreak energies, the Helio 7 yod of Earth, Juno, Mars, and Neptune could create lasting disagreements or even enemies based on a complete fallacy or misunderstanding, so be careful, keep things clear, and don't allow anything to escalate. I hope this video helps you in July. If you liked this video, please click like. If not, click dislike. If there's someone you know that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com for info on your personal best and worst timing, lessons, how to understand your relationships, and more. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful July.